Hey, Florida Trailblazer here. I'm out here exploring in the wilderness of the Green Swamp in search of an old Indian mound. It's just some of the fascinating history in these areas. And I've been roaming this area along a creek. Long ago, the natives lived and hunted along these areas. There's some limestone along the creek bed here, and the natives would use this material for making tools and weapons. There's lots of it around. Exploring further along the creek here, came across this area, and it's possible that this could be part of the mound, but I can't say for sure. It truly is like looking for a needle in a haystack when it comes to these kind of things. Well, I'm back here in the woods, in the area I think where the mound could be. So far, I'm not finding any real evidence that this is the mound. Very dense in here, and it's just really hard to tell at this point. And it's where the creek flows into the Withlacoochee River. Here is a large cypress stump. At one time, many of these cypress trees line the Withlacoochee River. It could be found throughout this forest, but they were logged out over 100 years ago during the logging boom. Here's another cypress stump. Followed this creek for quite a while, and I've come to this area where some swamps are.